Welcome back to channel SciTech. Finally friends, I'm back with another speed test comparison between the Realme GT Master Edition versus the POCO X3 Pro device. And this is another most requested question friends, asking me to compare Snapdragon 778G versus Snapdragon 860 chipset. How much difference can it be there between these both phones in terms of the opening speeds? So that's what I'm going to exactly demonstrate in this video. So first let me show the basic reboot test. Let's see. So once after the both phones reboots, then I'll try to show you what is happening with the speeds. So which phone can actually open what kind of speeds. So this is a really interesting question friends, because previously I did do with other Snapdragon 870 and Dimensity processors, but I forgot to do with the Snapdragon 860. So just now I did remember doing with the Snapdragon 860, so I thought of comparing side by side. So you will get a clear idea what is going on between these both phones if I try to compare. Let's see, Snapdragon 778G versus 860. Which phone can do it actually faster? Opening games. So let's go to the Wi-Fi connection and show you the 2.4 GHz which I have connected right now. You can clearly see here both phones are connected to the 2.4 GHz. That's perfectly 100% alright. And let me try to clear everything from the background. All the apps are completely clean from the background. You can clearly see here no apps are running at this moment in both phones, completely nothing at all. And these are the 5 games which I did select right now in this kind of testing, starting with the first game, Asphalt 9 game. So let's get started without wasting any time. 1, 2 and 3. And one more thing, I did not use any kind of game turbo. No gain space is used during these two phones. So during this process of testing, that's another thing which I thought of mentioning for you. So no gain space, no game turbo, nothing is enabled at this moment. Just only as it is games I'm trying to open between the both phones. So now let's see friends which phone can actually open this Asphalt 9 game faster. So Snapdragon 778G and Snapdragon 860 processor. Here comes the winner. Let's see which phone gonna do. POCO X3 Pro did open the Asphalt 9 game faster than the Realme GT Master Edition. And I'm not using any kind of GT mode during this process. No GT mode is enabled, nothing at all. So next game, batting on mobile. So far 1 point goes to the POCO X3 Pro. And let's see this point, which phone can actually take next point. And both phones are, I think I did not load the account in my POCO X3 Pro device, sorry for that. Let me to open again if possible. So let me do that, otherwise. So sorry for that, sometimes it get logouts automatically, I'm not sure why, but let me try to clear this game from the background and batting on game. Let's open again. Let's see now which phone can actually log in faster. So I did log in friends, but I'm not sure why it got logged out, but anyways, let's see now. Testing in both phones and login page, first game, and it's logging in the POCO X3 Pro device. I think so first. Yes, just a little bit faster than the Realme GT Master Edition. And next is Call of Duty game 1, 2 and 3. Call of Duty. So at same time I did click. And now we'll get to the what is happening with the both phones in terms of which phone is a winner. And if you have any other doubts and any other comparisons if you want me to do, so don't hesitate to request in the comment section below. So definitely I'll be able to take a look at the comments as well friends. Right now I'm very busy in the schedule. That's the reason I'm unable to make all the videos as per your request. Sorry for that kind of trouble. But overall the POCO X3 Pro seems to be slightly opening faster. That's what I did observe during this process of testing. Let's see that. Yes, as you can see, the logo did come first in the POCO X3 Pro when compared with the Realme GT Master Edition as well. I'm trying to tap at same time in both phones. Both phones are tapped, and first phone to enter home screen is the POCO X3 Pro device. Yes, the POCO X3 Pro did open the games faster than the Realme GT Master Edition, and the last game, which is a standoff 2 game, so which is not a big game overall. It's very small game itself. So I'll try to do plenty of other comparisons as well, so make sure to stay tuned for those videos in case if you are interested. I'll try to include the normal application, not only games, even normal applications also. A lot of people will be using those, so definitely that will be really good example as well. So both phones did show some kind of maybe connection problem, I think so. So overall friends, the final winner is the POCO X3 Pro in terms of opening speeds, which did open really good. In terms of the speed test, clear winner is the POCO X3 Pro, Snapdragon 860 chipset, without using any kind of game enhancement. Now let's check the RAM management. RAM management, you need to remember that the Realme GT Master Edition, which I'm trying to use, is a 6GB RAM variant, but I did enable the 6GB plus 5GB as an external RAM capabilities. That option I did also enable. And let's see, I don't think the Realme GT Master Edition can store this many games in the background RAM management. So because of the slightly less RAM, little bit. If the RAM has got 8GB RAM variant, maybe it can store maybe 3 games, I think big games. That might be the possibility is there. But POCO X3 Pro was able to store up to I think 4 games, where in the background mobile game is also there in the background RAM management because of 8GB RAM variant. That's the difference. So in the 6GB and the 8GB RAM variant, this is the difference will be there. You cannot store more applications and games in the background RAM management. Anyways, most of the people, they won't play this many games in the background, so you should not be worried that much about this thing. So in terms of the speed test, the POCO X3 Pro is a clear winner. So that's the final thing friends, and thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next video, and let's try to for more updates. And next time I'll try to come up with the applications, not games, applications, normal applications. Then we'll be able to understand what is happening as well. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, and let's stay tuned. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.